Today we're shopping for a new weed whacker over at this place. So the reason I got DeWalt stuff is because I like the color yellow. No, everything matches up over here. There's a DeWalt leaf blower, I've got a DeWalt vacuum, a DeWalt saw, I have 2 drills, a flashlight, there's a multi-tool. I mean, everything matches up. The batteries are interchangeable, so that's pretty neat. So let's open this up and see what we got. There's the battery. Here is the charger. Look how simple. So this is it. It's folded in half, 40% shorter when folded. So it comes in the box like this, and then you have to unfold it and clasp it down. And then this is, the cutting head. We'll get into that in a second. So this weighs 7 pounds right here, and this weighs 6 pounds, 7 pounds. Weighs less than a puppy. Now I gotta put this on. Oh no, I have to use tools? Okay, so we get the handle on. So this is the guard for the weed whacker part. So I get the handle on and the guard. And I think all I have to do is just take the tape off of this thing. Oh, they've already got some in there. Okay. All right, well, I think it's ready to go. That was simple. It's got a low and a high setting. Oh my goodness. And to let more string out, I was gonna stop that with my hand like an idiot. So when you let more string out, you tap this on the ground. So you turn it on. So see the string, it's short right there. But when I tap it like this, boom, on the ground as it's spinning, it's gonna make this string be longer, and then this blade, it'll be out this far, it's gonna cut it off and make it, the right length. Okay, so here we go. Did that work? Oh, there you go. That's sort of a violent action there, but yeah, now we have it at the right length. Okay, let's go cut some stuff. Let's go over to the chain link fence over here. Cut some grass. So there you go, the what was the number on this? DCST922 from DeWalt. Weighs as much as a puppy dog. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.